Hello friends, students. Today I will let you know regarding the credit based system that you asked in the comment section that what is the credit system, or what are the credits that is mentioned in the you can say syllabus pattern that I have uploaded, okay, of Mumbai University, you can say, right? So what is the credit system, and what is the GPA system, grading system, and what is the marking pattern system, marking schemes for theory of a particular subject, core subject, or relevant to that practical subject also, right? So these all I will discuss, the marking pattern scheme, paper patterns also, right? So we'll start then. Till then, subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it, and share it with your friends, students, and definitely students, I let you know that please spread these videos to your friends. That means if I let gain that knowledge that many students have shows interest in this channel, then I will definitely try to upload regular videos. Okay, till then I am waiting for your responses, because if public is there, then we'll definitely start with the video section. If at least if I am not able to upload all subject videos, then also I can guarantee you that I will upload some subjects, that programming subjects and all, especially, and some doubt solving lectures also, and some important sections, important question giving sessions also will be uploaded in my channel. Okay, so we'll start. Credit based system and credits is what, see over here, for example, in CS first paper they had given computer organization and design. For that they had given 2 credits, and in front of that you can see adjacent to that there is written 3 lectures per week. That is per week there will be 3 lectures, and credits, that is 2 credits. See, one single credit is a hour based credit, you can say, that is 45 minutes or 50 minutes lectures hours is there. So for BSc degrees you have 45 minutes per lecture session, so that for a week you can take a subject, that is 2 credits. Okay, and if we consider that as a, you can say, marking pattern for GPA system, GPA credits, then you will score a 10 point based system, grade point system for your exams. That means if you complete all the subjects with you can say out of degree, okay, sorry, out of marks and all, scoring marks, then you will definitely score a 10 grade scale, 10 point like this. Then and the grade system is O grade, the letter grade system, it is O grade. Okay, O grade दिया जाता है अगर if you have you can say first class, first distinction and above, that is out of marks and all. Then it comes below if you score as per less marks from that out of, that is 9 pointer, 8 pointer, A plus degree, then A plus, then A, then B plus, then B, C, D. D is also a passing grade, you can say. Okay, so these all system is there. Actually I am telling orally because I am not familiar that many students will join this channel or not. So then also for a start purpose I am giving this introduction for regarding the comments asked in the system, and basic, you can say, paper pattern scheme also. Okay, so these are the system. So over here also you have for suppose you have 7 subjects and one it is skills development. Actually you can prepare easily, very easily, this subject. Then practicals for particular subjects, you have separate practicals, and that for that they have given 6 credits. Okay, for that they have given 6 credits, as you have 6, 1 credit for each. Then total lectures they have given, you can say, 18 lectures per week. Okay, like that, means total they have given like this. Means what, if you have a 3 hours section, then 3 hours is 3 credits, you can say. Okay, so single subject, single credits, like that you can tell. Okay, then after we'll see the patterns also. See, you have units, 3 units for each subject. Till SY you have 3 units like that. Then in TY you have 4 units, 5 units like that. Okay, so TY means in the 3rd year. So I will make estimation for FY, only FY BSc Computer Science and FY BSc IT. I have 2 syllabus sections. We'll compare these things with 2 these. Okay, so over here they have given computer organization and design for suppose one, they have given 2 credits and lectures per week is 3. Okay, so now for unit 1 you have 15 lectures. Okay, that means you have, according to your credits you have to, and beside that practicals also is there, one practical for each units based practicals also there, right? Then if we come to your IT, this also have, for example, for first subject is imperative programming. Imperative comes under C programming. Okay, imperative programming means it's near about is a SPA, that is SPA, that is structured programming approach, that is a C language only. Okay, these have different names in degree. In engineering degree you have a SPA subject, that is structured programming approach like that, and in this you have in BSc IT you have imperative programming, and in FY BSc IT that was, and this over here you have C programming in semester 2 as programming with C in computer science. Okay, so these are the things. So first I will not go deeper because I have not mentioned the IT syllabus. I will definitely upload that. If you tell me to upload, please comment for that in comment section, and please let other students also get this benefit. So if public is there, I am always telling, if public is there, then definitely will work on this channel. Okay, so this imperative program 2 credits, again total 20 credits are given. Okay, for this also you can calculate 2 and 6, 2 into 7 that is 14 and 6 that is 20 credits. Okay, so we'll now see the bifurcation of the paper patterns also. According to this you can you will get an idea for that. Okay, so see over here, okay, see this, they have given 12 lectures, and bifurcation is given over here as imperative programming, the code they have given. So you will be given, see, one period, that is I told 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, for master's degree it is 50 degree, but then also for BSc it is 45 degree, but anyhow it could be 50 or 45 minutes, so it's not any big deal for a 5 minutes lecture sessions. Okay, so it is they have given 5. Okay, and credits are 2 credits. Okay, that means you can take 5. Then evaluation system, see, 2.5 for theory exams. Okay, that carries 75 marks. Okay, 2.5 hours, that is half less 3 hours. Okay, that means 2.5 ghanta. Then it is 75 marks. Or internal you have 25 marks. Internal means what, you will be asked some viva and all, and that is it's easy to score for that if you have attended the lectures properly, and if you answer a few questions also, then also you will get, if you not get out of, then also you will get at least 20 and 20 above, right? So that is the thing. And the paper, it is it. Then again 50 marks is there more. This covers 100 marks for theory. Now remains 50 marks for pracs, that is practicals also they have given. See over here, practical examination, again one period. Okay, they have given as 3. Okay, 3 hours, you know. Okay, that one you can take as of one period of 50 minutes, that is of 3, and the credit also they have given us 2. Okay, then see over here, it is of 2.5. Okay, so the difference, see, because over here you have to do the practicals in lab sessions and all, practical you have to perform, so they have given, you can say, some more time compared to your theory. In theory for 2.5 hours you are allotted 75 marks paper, and now over here it is 50 marks. Okay, so total now imperative programming subject carries how much mark? 100 for theory plus internal, and over here practical, that is 100 plus practical, that is total 150 marks. Okay, so this is all to the same, you can say all same for all the again the digital electronics, and all pattern is same then. Okay, I hope so you understood these things. Okay, some a basic rough idea I have given over here. If I will get time, then I will try to go some deeper way and some elaborating with diagrams and something. Okay, by writing whiteboard and all, I will try to explain you all. But then also I guess I think that you get a basic idea, okay, by listening this video. So till then I will tell you again that please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like it, and share with your friends, students, and let me know that how much are interested with this concept that I am bringing to you all students for BSc Computer Science and BSc IT lectures. This channel is okay, and I am not guaranteeing you that I will upload. Then also I am always telling I will not guarantee you that I will upload all and all full subject chapters. Then also, according to me, how much capacity I have, that I will start uploading regular lectures, but according to your response only. If you have a positive response from your side, then I will definitely try to cover, if possible, all also. Okay, so thank you, and I will tell subscribe this channel, like it and share it if you like it, and have a good day till then. Thank you.